Hey everybody, this is Sahil Malhotra, principal attorney at Trishti Law, where we specialize in asset management and protection strategies for startups, small businesses, and creatives. Today, I want to take some time and tell you 5 things you need to keep in mind while designing a logo for your unique branding. One of the first things you might want to know, do you really need a logo for your business? Well, a logo can be a unique identifier for your brand. Think of the plenty of iconic brands that can be identified just by looking at their logo alone. Think Nike, think Louis Vuitton, think Apple. These brands have developed a unique identity just by their logos alone. Try to build a unique branding image, and you can do the same. Number two, you might ask, what are the best practices while picking a logo? Well, Dwight Schrute from the show The Office gives Ryan the best advice. Keep it simple, stupid. Don't overcomplicate things. Logos are meant to be unique, but not so complex that it intimidates the consumer. Also, do a quick little research while you're designing the logo just to make sure that nobody else is using something similar to yours. Do a Google search. Next, you might ask, how important is color to your branding? Well, color is only as important as it is to your branding. Color can be a tangible component of your brand as it sets the mood and significantly influences a consumer's perception. The addition of a color palette usually adds to your brand story. As you may know, there is a psychological aspect of utilizing color in your branding. Blue is considered appealing and calming and is actually one of the more popular colors while building your brand. Red, on the other hand, creates a sense of urgency. A well thought out brand development would incorporate a color palette for the brand portfolio, which includes the product, name, and every branding term that goes along. Next, you might ask, do you need to hire a professional designer to design your logo? Can you do it by yourself? Quick answer, no, you don't need a professional designer. Plenty of brands have launched without the hiring of a professional designer, but it is never a bad idea in today's information clock world to explore all the options available to you. A professional designer with good acumen will have access to databases with all current brand names and logos, which will help you avoid some liability in the future. A professional designer is aware of the aesthetic appeal you're trying to reach and will help you design a logo that fits your narrative. And lastly, how can you protect your logo after it's been created? Well, hire a trademark attorney. Once you finalize the design of a logo, hire a trademark attorney who can properly fill out a trademark application to register your logo. A good application service should always come with a comprehensive search and clearance process. That process should be non-negotiable to you because it helps reduce any other liability that you might not have known related to your logo. It is imperative that you don't skip out on the search and clearance process because it will provide you with information with the likelihood of risks related to your brand. Hire a trademark attorney that will fill out the application properly and increase the chances of registrability. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or please feel free to reach out to me through my email. And if you need any assistance in your brand building journey, please feel free to register for a free consultation through the link provided below. This is Sahil Malhotra. Thanks for watching.